Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload videos in Slack channel. So first of all, open up your Slack application. As you can see, I've already opened up my Slack application. I'm already in a channel. All you have to do is, if you wanna upload a video in your Slack channel, all you have to do is hover your mouse here, just plus option, just click on it. You can, here you will find canvas, upload GIF, upload from your computer. Just click on this. You can go to the specific desired folder that you want to upload. You can just click on this video, open. You can write down the caption and just click on this. This is how you can upload a video in Slack channel. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section, hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you all see in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.